Ever wonder how you can snag those new shoes now, but spread out the payments? There are a bunch of buy now, pay later options out there these days, and navigating them all can feel like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics. But fear not, financial friends. Today we're diving deep into Zip, one of the leading players in this growing payment game. So, what exactly is Zip? Let's break it down. In essence, it's a digital wallet and payment service that lets you split your purchases into installments. Think of it like a friendly middle ground between swiping your debit card and racking up credit card debt. Here's the cool part, Zip isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Depending on your location, we're talking Australia, New Zealand, the US, and Canada, Zip offers different options. In Australia, for example, you get Zippay and Zip Money. Zippay acts like a reusable credit line, letting you choose your repayment frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, with a monthly account fee, though it gets waived if you pay your balance in full. Zip Money, on the other hand, is more like a traditional loan for bigger purchases. Now, for our friends across the pond in the US, and it's still in beta testing as of today, Zip offers a simpler pay-in-4 plan. This splits your purchase into 4 interest-free installments spread over 6 weeks. Nice and straightforward. But how does it actually work? Let's say you're online shopping and see that perfect jacket, but your wallet's screaming for mercy. Here's the process. Head to checkout and choose Zip as your payment method. You'll be redirected to the Zip app, gotta download it beforehand, to log in and confirm the purchase. Zip will then pay the merchant the full amount up front, so you get your new jacket without delay. You, in turn, repay Zip according to the chosen plan, weekly/bi-weekly/monthly installments or 4 bi-weekly installments. Pretty slick, right? But before you go on a Zip-fueled shopping spree, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Zip charges late fees if you miss a payment, so be sure you can manage the installments comfortably. There are also spending limits depending on your Zip product and creditworthiness. Second, Zip isn't a magic solution for overspending. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be helpful or harmful depending on how you use it. Always remember to only spend what you can afford to repay within the time frame. Now, Zip isn't the only buy now, pay later service out there. But with its flexible plans, growing international presence, and user-friendly app, it's definitely a strong contender. So, is Zip the right payment method for you? Well, that depends on your financial situation and spending habits. But hopefully, this video has given you a clear picture of how Zip works and what it can offer. Remember, responsible spending is key, no matter the payment method. Do your research, create a budget, and Zip responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.